ensures that at the end of your period of study with us, you are well prepared for your dream career. Management is about arranging and telling. Leadership is about nurturing and enhancing, said Tom Peters. As Pondicherry University's first academic entity, the erstwhile School of Management, now DMS, got established in 1986, and the School of Management now has 6 departments, namely DMS, our department, Department of Commerce, Department of Economics, Department of Tourism Studies, Department of Banking Technology, and Department of International Business, offering many MBA programs. Department of Management Studies has a unique position in the university by establishing the first MBA program in 1986. For the past 34 years, it has been catering to the needs of management education and research, besides providing consulting and training to corporate and government organizations through outreach programs. Its alumni has hold high and coveted positions in industry, government, and academia in India and abroad. DMS has been consistently ranked among India's top B schools by reputed magazines and other ranking organizations. In response to the demand from the industry, DMS has launched 2 new MBA programs, namely a 2-year full-time MBA Data Analytics and 3-year MBA part-time under self-financing mode from the academic year 2019-20. But for its flagship MBA program with dual specialization, DMS has a sanctioned strength of 148 seats plus foreign students and students from Andaman and Nicobar and from Army and Indian Air Force. And DMS has a sanctioned strength of 30 for MBA Data Analytics and 40 for MBA part-time. Part-time MBA caters to the needs of young working professionals to upgrade themselves, whereas MBA Data Analytics caters to the needs of community of analysts in the areas of research and business. In broad terms, quality planning consists of developing the products and processes required to meet customers' needs, said Joseph Juran, a popular American consultant. Though these courses prepare students for a successful professional career in management, while the first year for the regular course and the first 2 years for the part-time MBA course are devoted to the foundational courses, the final year would enable students to gain in-depth knowledge of the specialization of their chosen fields, and each student can choose dual specialization. The course structure of the MBA program comprises core and elective papers. Core papers equip students with conceptual knowledge in the basic areas of management. The elective papers help students to enhance their application-oriented skills in the chosen functional areas of management, such as finance, marketing, human resources, systems, and operations. For all MBA programs, weekly guest lectures by eminent personalities from both industry and academia, industrial visits, and placement training programs, workshops are organized. During the program, students undertake a minor project as well as a major project, which will give a really good exposure to the corporate setting. The well-reputed companies who have visited the campus year after year to recruit our students shows the quality of education imparted at DMS. The leading IT and ITES, private and public sector banks, Indian as well as multinational corporations, manufacturing, service, and technology-based companies visit DMS for recruitment of students. DMS has already launched talk series, DMS Alumni Talk Series, DMS Expert Talk Series, student development programs, career development programs, and today we are launching DMS International Talk Series with our distinguished speaker, Professor Lakmika Pereira. With its emphasis on strong industry academic interface, technology integrated management courses, and extracurricular activities, DMS lays foundation for your personal and career development. We conduct an annual flagship event, Synapse, to bridge the gap between industry and academia. During your stay here, you will forge lifelong bonds of friendship with your peers, which will become an important network of support for you in the years to come. DMS has well-connected alumni network of MBA graduates since 1986, about 2,300 plus alumni, and the alumni get together during the annual alumni meet Milan. And we have a number of functional academic clubs in DMS: Finance Club, Marketing Club, HR Club, Systems and Operations Club, Startup and Entrepreneurship Club, and DMS Analytics Club. And this year we have made it an online clubs, because through the LinkedIn pages, we are having interaction, online meetings every week. Each club is meeting, and we are updating the activities in the LinkedIn pages, because during this pandemic time, we are using online platform. DMS has MOU with international partnering universities such as Universities of East Paris, France, Changbuk National University, South Korea, and Koblenz University of Applied Sciences, Germany, which offers opportunities to study one semester, either third or fourth semester abroad, with a waiver of tuition fees. We have initiated many other MOUs and expect to begin very soon. The university also offers merit scholarship, merit cum means scholarship, Government of Pondicherry fellowship scholarship, and other meritorious scholarship. And Pondicherry University has developed student academic activity management system. We call it as SAMS, an online platform that is meant to manage the entire range of academic activities. The DMS is equipped with a seminar hall, air-conditioned classrooms, and a very good central library. And the university has 21 hostels in the campus, of which 13 are for boys and 8 are for girls. And we have health center, we have Indian Bank inside our campus, and post office is functioning, and a shopping complex is available, 4 canteens are functioning, and we have gyms for the fitness, and we also have dedicated student welfare wing and special reservation cell to take up the needs of the students. The greatest danger in times of turbulence is not the turbulence, it is to act with yesterday's logic, said Peter Drucker. So at DMS, we believe our purpose is not only to prepare students with the necessary skills to achieve their career goals, but also help them become strategic thinkers and leaders who add value to their community locally or globally. We are committed to building the business leaders of tomorrow. My advice to the new student is to take full advantage of the opportunities that we offer. The best way to predict future is to create it, said Peter Drucker. So we will work together to maintain healthy and safety standards while sustaining the academic excellence and personalized attention. Wishing you all the very best for a great academic journey at DMS. So with this few words, I invite our Honorable Dean, School of Management, Professor Chandrasekhar Rao sir, to offer his felicitation and inaugurate this 35th batch of MBA.